Oh my god. This mutton is so tender. The spices are absolutely perfect. You guys have to try this. This is absolutely delicious. The fish is so perfectly spiced and this rich gravy is just amazing. You guys really have to try this. This is absolutely delicious.
Wow. This mutton is incredibly tender. Now let's try this amazing gravy.
This is absolutely incredible. The lamb is so tender and full of flavor. This biryani is absolutely incredible. Now let's try this spicy chicken. This mutton curry is so delicious.
This is incredible. Look at this lamb shank.